Our technology solutions alleviate the burnout of small business owners in proprietary nursing schools by automating teaching processes and providing self-directed learning systems. These systems, approved by the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services and the Board of Proprietary Nursing Schools, offer real-time grading, feedback, and student engagement. Additionally, our platform empowers home care owners to streamline caregiver hiring and efficiently track KPIs, offering an integrated system unlike anything else on the market.
We offer self-paced online classes. So if you're unable to come to the school on the selected days that the classes would be, you're able to do online. You're able to do it at any time, at any day, so it's really your pace.
I think the online process went pretty well. I really enjoyed it. Having those learning checks using those quizzes really assessed your knowledge in terms of whether you were learning or not in the PowerPoints. Also, Nurse Thurston was very thorough in her PowerPoints. She gave a lot of insight and a lot of detail on each topic that you were learning in terms of patient care, which was really helpful, and I think ultimately prepared you for the lab and what we're learning now.
Migrating my organization system to wEquipu was the best thing for my business growth. The security level and compliance with HIPAA regulations allow us to operate in real time from the integrated software. They work with us integrating new functionalities. The team was knowledgeable, flexible to our business needs. Thanks to wEquipu, our extended a team for more than 5 years.